phenomenal.
Hey, there's a cat on your ear.
It's a tortoise shell. This yours? How much boost are you running?
Coming down here, I only have it about 10, but
10?
I keep it. I've had it up about 18.
Really?
18's a lot.
Wow.
Yeah.
What kind of work you've done with it? Just
It's fully forged 89, 2.2 liter.
yeah.
Super 60 turbo, plus 40 injectors, Super 60 cool pump. Pretty much all the goodies that you buy like in the 80s when they came out.
Yeah, yeah.
It's all in there.
How many horsepower are you pushing?
Stock's 175, so
Yeah.
who knows? That's at 14 pounds.
Wow.
So around 18 is probably close to 220, 230.
Amazing. And how much? It weighs probably nothing, eh?
I think it's about 27, 2,800 pounds.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Do you mind if we hear it run? I haven't heard these things since
Oh, yeah?
the 80s.
Not in a long time.
Yeah.
80s, yeah.
Since I was a kid. Wow. Thing purrs. Stock exhaust? No? What do you got?
3 inch.
3 inch on this thing. 3 inch exhaust on this thing. Wow. No?
No, there's no
Ever taken it to the track?
not like for real taking it to the track.
Yeah, yeah.
I've taken it around a couple times. But
Did it have a cover like for the tire? Like yeah. Amazing. Original paint?
no, it's been painted once.
Once, yeah.
Painted about 15 years ago.
Yeah. Driven in the wintertime? No? That's why it's alive.
Honestly though, that's nice to be like someone's painted it 15 years ago means they cared enough.
Yeah.
Right? So it's still around.
That's actually, I did it at home in my garage. It's the first car I ever painted.
Oh really? So how long have you had it?
I've had it since
Ooh. Awesome.
Yeah, that's nice. The stuff you don't see other than here.
Yeah. Is it for sale?
I think it's for sale for the right price. Just the number would be higher than.
Awesome. All right, awesome. Thank you for your time.
Thanks for
Appreciate
showing
it.
us that.
anytime, man.
Okay, so we'll go to this dirt road and we'll go to the